Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and had an amazing Diwali celebration. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a fun big head effect in Canva. So without any further delay, let's get started. So to get started, I have already pasted one garden background in my canvas. Okay, yes, here it is. So my goal is to insert one gardener image over here with a big hat, and for that obviously I need one gardener image, and for that I have head over to freepik.com, and this is the image that exactly what I want. So I have already found this image in freepik. You can add any image you want, okay, from anywhere. So you have to just download this image from here. Okay, once you downloaded this image, what the second task you have to do is to remove this yellow background from the image. So for that I don't have any Canva subscription with me, so obviously I have used I have to use a third party website for this. Okay, so obviously the best third party website from removing a background is remove.pg. You have to come here and you have to just insert this image. You don't have to go to upload, you just have to drag and drop from here only. Okay, once you will drag and drop, then it will remove the background in few seconds. My internet speed is very slow today, so it will take a time. Okay, let's see how much time it will take. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's really good. uh, uh, we have to wait for few seconds. Like, I know my internet speed, I know my computer. So yes, the background removed from here, and at the second step what you have to do is you have to copy this image and paste in our canvas. Okay, so yes, just adjust the point from here, adjust the size and place it over here. Okay, now as a next, let's focus on this head. I want this head separate, so what I will do, I need to cut out this image. So you don't have to go any other third party website. The remove.bg has a feature to cut out from the image. So here is it. This is the image that they don't have any background, so you just have to click here only. From cutout, you adjust the brush size and remove everything except the head. Okay, I need a big brush size and remove everything from here. Okay, yes, it is. Now let's zoom in to give it proper look, and small the brush size and remove this unnecessary thing that are left off over here. Okay, so yes, again, yes, this is I think this is good. We have to wait for few seconds. Okay, this is because of my internet speed, I guess. I don't think remove this website is this much slow. Let's wait, and I will see you in few minutes. So yes, finally I have this head shot with me, and you just have to, don't click over here, download this image. Okay, free download, and go to Canva and upload that big head image over here. So here it is. Now adjust the corner like this and make it big and place it over here like this. Okay, yes. So this is how you can that's it. This is how you can create a big head image in Canva. But to make it more pop from this, first thing, this is the trick that I want to give you. So press shift key and select this both the image and group them. Okay, now what you will do, press R, so this rectangle comes. Now stretch this rectangle like this and change the color of this rectangle to black. Make it transparent to 50%, like 40-50%, like let me 40%. Okay, now select this rectangle, go to layer and send to backward. Okay, so now you can see that this gardener image looking more pop. Okay, it will highlight it. So that's it. That's how you can create a big head image in Canva. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you enjoy this video, and don't forget to share this video and like and subscribe. Please do subscribe to my channel, and for more such Canva tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye, take care, keep designing, stay motivated, and we will see you in the next video. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye, have a great day.